Hi everyone, it's Jenny at the Bridgewater Public Library here for a holiday origami special. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fold a modular origami star. Modular means that we're going to fold multiple pieces of paper and then glue them together. This is what your star will look like. You can use any colors you want. Today we will be using 13 pieces of paper cut into perfect squares. If you want at the end to glue your star onto a popsicle stick or a stick you find in your yard or a dowel, you're also welcome to do that. So you'll need 13 pieces of paper cut into perfect squares, any colors you want, a dowel, glue, and scissors to do your cutting if you don't already have origami paper. Let's get started.
All right, so I've already got my 13 pieces of paper. If you want to make a smaller origami star like I have done, you can take a regular sheet of 6" by 6" origami paper, fold it in half, cut or rip along the line, and then fold it in half the other way to get the 3 by 3" paper that I am using. So we're going to take our first piece, color side down, this paper is the same color on both sides, but if you're using paper that has a color or pattern that you want, make sure that that side is down. We're going to fold in half diagonally, open the paper back up, and then fold each corner exactly to the center. As you're doing this, you want to just make sure that your paper isn't overlapping or anything. And then once you finish that, you're going to fold so that this edge meets the center line. We're going to repeat that fold on the other side so that this edge meets the center line. Now, flip your paper over and fold this top triangle down just so that it's in line with the folds on the other side. Now you're going to flip the paper over again and fold it in half. These are all of the folds that you'll need, so you're going to fold your other 12 pieces of paper to be like this. I'll do one more to show you how the pieces of paper connect. Color side down, fold in half diagonally, open, fold each corner just to the center, once you've finished that, you're going to fold one of the edges to meet the center edge. Repeat that on the other side, edge to center line. Flip the paper over, fold the top triangle down to be in line. Flip the paper over again and fold it in half. Once you have your pieces, you can connect them by connecting the points of one into the pocket of another, like that. When you have all of your pieces folded, you can grab your glue and you're going to put just a little bit of glue on the bottom of your triangle. Grab your second piece and stick your points into the little openings. And you're going to repeat that until you've glued all 13 pieces together. As you continue, a circle will start to form. And the 13 pieces should be enough to close the circle. Okay, press down all your pieces. Grab your popsicle stick or your stick from outside. Pick one of your star areas and attach it. And there you have it, your modular star origami. Happy holidays, everyone.